Hello students, I am Ms. Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. In this video, I am going to teach you class 5th Maths exercise 3.6. So students, the question of exercise 3.6 are as follows. So see, some word problems are given in this exercise 3.6. So let us start and now find it out how to solve it. Okay. So students, question number 1. Question number 1. So exercise 3.6 is students dependent upon the word problem. The story sums are given. Okay. So we have to read the question, understand it, that what is given in the question and what is asked in the question, that we will find out by different procedures. So first question is find the least number of people. We have to find question itself in the first line given. Find the least number of people that can be arranged in groups of. We have to find the least number of people which can be arranged in the group of 3, 4, 6 and 8 or 8 with none left behind. Means we have to make a group of people which can be arranged in 3, 4, 6 or 8 and no one should be left behind. We have to make the group of these people. So students, how to find out? Simply this is related to least number, means the least common multiple we have to find out. So simply students, 3, 4, 6 and 8. This is given. We will use here the short division method for finding the LCM. So simply students, find out the LCM. So now see 3, 4, 6 and 8. I think 2 can divide 4, 6 and 8 and 3 cannot be divided by 2. So least common factor, first we will take a common factor 2. So 2, so students 3 cannot be divided by 2. So simply 3 will be as it is. Then 2, 2's are 4, comma, 2, 3's are 6, comma and 2, 4's are 8. So this number has divided these three digits and not this one. So now taking 2 again as common multiple. See here students, 3 cannot be divided. So write 3 as it is. 2 can be. So 2 1's are 2. Now again 3 cannot be divided. So 3 will be as it is. 4 can be. So 2's are means 2's are 4. Okay. Now again take 2 one more time because one more 2 is there. 3 will be as it is. 1 will be as it is. 3 will be as it is. Because these cannot be divided further. So now 2 1's are 2. Now till we will not receive here 1, we will continue our division. Now multiple we will divide by 3. Why? Because 3 is given here and 1 is there. Okay, so simply 3 1's are 3, comma 1 is here, 1 will be as it is. 3 1's are 3 and 1 is given here. So simply students, we have received the number. Which number we have received? 2, 2, 2 and 3. So now we will write here, therefore the LCM of 3, 4, 6 and 8. Why we are writing the LCM of 3, 4, 6 and 8? Because this is the only answer. Means the question is the least, this is the least common multiple of 3, 4, 6 and 8. So the least number of people that can be arranged in group of 3, 4, 6 and or 8. Okay. With none left behind. So taking care of that, we will write directly the LCM of 3, 4, 6 and 8 is equal to. So now we have to multiply these all numbers which is present in the left side of the division process. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So students, I hope you are understanding. You can write this statement as, instead of writing the LCM of, you can also write the least number of people that can be arranged in group of 3, 4 and or 6 with none left behind is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. These all numbers. Okay. Instead of writing this statement. Okay. So I am writing directly here. 2 2's are 4 and 4 2's are 8. Then 8. After getting the answers, after getting the products, we have to multiply that number with next. Okay. 2 2s are 8 and 8 3s are 24. Yes or no? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. So 24 is the answer, students. So 24 is the least number of people that can be arranged in group of 3, 4, 6 or 8. So this is your answer. So I hope you are understanding. So now proceeding to question number 2. Don't get fear, students. Check your book, see your book, or if you are not having that book in front of you, just you can see the questions from here also. Mala and Gopi have brought clothes to distribute in an old age home. Mala and Gopi wants to distribute some clothes in the old age home. Okay. So now the residents there are divided into two groups. The residents there means the residents at the old age home is divided into two groups. That is A and B. Two groups are A and B. So there are 10 people in group A. 10 people are present in group A and 15 in group B. So we can write, after that I will explain here. So people in group A is equal to 10 and people in group B is equal to 15 and number of groups is given is equal to 2. How many groups are given? You can write down here. Okay, so number of groups is equal to 2. So students, if each group is given an equal number of clothes, each group is given an equal number of clothes, so every member of a group receives the same number of clothes. So see students, if each group is given equal number of clothes, it should be equally distributed. Given an equal number of clothes and every member of group, and every member means each member of group A and group B receives the same number of clothes. Okay, so question is, what is the least number of clothes that Mala and Gopi must brought? So the question is, means if group A and B, two groups are there, group A is having 10 members, group B is having 10 members. Now group A and group B both should receive the equal number of clothes, and each member of each group, means from group A each member and from group B each member should receive equal number of clothes. So first what we will do for finding the least number of clothes that Mala and Gopi must brought, what we will do, we will find the LCM of 10 and 15. Then the members are divided into two groups, so we will multiply that LCM with 2 and we will receive the complete number of clothes. So now students, we will solve it here. I am finding the LCM here. Okay, I think it is not straight. 10 and 15. So students, I think 10 and 15 you know very well from which number it can be divided. From 5. From 2, 10 can be divided but 15 cannot be divided by 2. And from 3, 15 can be but 2 cannot be. So common multiple is 5. So 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. Now divided by 2, 2 1s are 3 cannot be. So 3 will be as it is. Now 3 1 will be as it is. 3 1s are. Till you will not receive 1 here, you have to continue your multiplication, means your division. Okay students. So now 5, 2 and 3. So 3 is not visible. 3. Okay. So therefore the LCM of 10 and 15, or we can write directly 10 comma 15 is equal to 5 into 2 into 3. So answer received here is 5 2s are 10 and 10 3s are 30. But question is given number of groups present here here are 2. So now as 2 groups are present, therefore what is the question? Therefore the least number of clothes is equal to 30 multiplied by 2. So 32 is a students, 32 is a 60 because 2 zeros are 0 and 2 3s are 6. So 60 is the answer received here. So students, step by step I had explained you. I hope you have understood exercise 3.6 question 1 and 2. Only third question I have left that you will solve by yourself depending upon this question. Thank you for watching.